Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to talk about a spasm of accommodation. Spasm of accommodation means spasm of eye muscles with nearsightedness, myopia, oblique eye muscle spasm, and oblique eye muscle cannot relax and unclench when a person looks at a far distance. With farsightedness, or in other words hyperopia, straight rectus eye muscles are spasmodic and cannot relax when a person looks at a near distance. How spasm of accommodation happen? For example, a person working at a laptop for 3 hours without looking in any different directions and without small breaks. He greatly overstrains his oblique eye muscles with the same distance to the screen. It's like pulling up a kettlebell and holding it for 3 hours in the same position, and he does it every day. When he comes out from work, he looks at the same distance to his phone. Long-term eye fixation at the same distance can push eye muscle to a spasm because they didn't get a chance to rest, relax and refocus. How to get rid of a spasm of accommodation? Just give your eyes rest at least every 20 minutes of screen time. Actively look around to refocus to a different distance. Change distance to the monitor so eye muscles work will be different and eyes will get rest. Subscribe to my channel for more benefits to your eyes.